Do you know what this means?
親父、どこか悪いのか？
ああ。
顔がちょっとの。
We'll look at the overall meaning of this Shinchan scene in a moment, but first, a true story. The other day, Yumi had a bit of a headache. Seeing her massage her temples, a friend who had been studying Japanese pointed at her head and said, "Atama warui?" Literally, this is head bad? Of course, this makes sense. Your head is hurting. Something is bad. But saying this to someone truly is bad. Very bad. Unfortunately, atama ga warui is an idiomatic expression that means stupid, as in your head is no good. Of course, Yumi understood the implied meaning and laughed it off, but be careful. Just so you know, daijoubu desu ka is a better way to ask if someone is okay. Now, let's return to the Shinchan scene.
親父、どこか悪いのか？
ああ。
顔がちょっとの。
Literally, this is, "Father, is it bad somewhere?" And his father answers, "A little," with my face. A more natural translation would be, "Dad, is something wrong with you?" And his father answers, "It's just my face, you know." Warui here is used in the sense our friend intended. The son thinks his father's body has something bad in it. Is it cancer? Is he going to die? What's wrong? Ah, it's just his face. That's all. Let's break it down.
親父、どこか悪いのか？
Oyaji, father. This is a casual term for father used by sons, usually implies a close or informal relationship. Dokoka, somewhere, somehow. This word combines doko, where, with ka, indicating uncertainty like maybe or somehow. It gives a sense of, is there something wrong somewhere? Warui, bad, wrong. This is an adjective that means bad or ill, used here to refer to health. No, explanatory particle, used to seek an explanation or confirm something in a gentle way. This is common in casual spoken Japanese. Ka, question particle. It turns the sentence into a question.
顔がちょっとの。
Kao, face, specifically refers to the physical appearance in this context. Ga, subject marker. This marks face as the subject of the immediate phrase, emphasizing and detailing what's wrong. Chotto, a little, somewhat. This is a casual term that can mean a little or a bit, used here in an understated way, often with humor or modesty. No, a particle used to explain, imply, or soften a statement, often providing background information, showing curiosity, or humorously leaving a thought unfinished. Now, let's hear it one more time.
親父、どこか悪いのか？
ああ。
顔がちょっとの。
Did you get it now?
チャンネル登録してね。